Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MyPhone N23 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find this section, passwords and accounts, or Google. It's up to you which one you prefer to use. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the account section. I've got my previously added Google account, but that's okay. I can still show you how to add the account. So let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and you will probably have to confirm everything with your screen lock. And right here in this tab, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info, and then tap on I agree after reading. I don't want to save it. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can also remove it whenever we want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, we've got only our previously added Google account set. However, we can also remove it. Let me quickly do it so I can show you everything. Sometimes you will again have to confirm everything with your pattern, or basically the screen lock. And as you can see, we just removed all of the Google accounts. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.